Artificial intelligence and machine learning is changing the world. That's not news. Artificial intelligence is being applied in almost every sphere of life today, from predicting the airline engine failure to diagnosing diabetes, and also in the financial world in predicting the financial frauds. Everywhere we see now artificial intelligence is getting used. The research company Gartner says that by 2020, almost every new software being created would have artificial intelligence inside it. And every fifth job of non-routine nature will have artificial intelligence embedded inside that. It is a change happening at a scale which we have seen only 3 to 4 times in the history. The first was introduction of the steam engine. The second was the changes brought about by introduction of electricity, and more recently by the computers. These changes are happening at such a swift pace and such a large scale that the companies which are not adopting are becoming irrelevant. They are becoming extinct, and at such a pace that we need to borrow a term from evolutionary biology: mass extinction of the corporates. And same thing is happening to the jobs. Gartner, in its recent survey, mentions that 2.3 million jobs would be created by artificial intelligence, but at the same time, 1.8 million jobs will be made redundant by artificial intelligence. Now, from the job perspective, everyone now needs to think that on which side of the job market they are. Are they going to be among the ones which are going to be replaced, or are they going to be among the ones who are going to ride and leverage the power of artificial intelligence? The changes are also very unique in the way that it is affecting the job markets. In the past, economic growth and job growth had a positive correlation. But we have seen that in the recent past, there is a great decoupling between the economic growth and the jobs. In India also we see that the past 10 years have been one of the phases of the fastest growth in economy. But look at the unemployment. Today we have an unemployment rate which is highest in the last 45 years. Even if you see in US, the overall GDP has trebled between 1990 and today, from about $6 trillion to more than $20 trillion. But the median job or median salary has remained stagnant. But at the same time, the artificial intelligence, machine learning, computer vision, the average salary for these jobs have been increasing, and they are now among the highest paid jobs. The question today is that how do we prepare ourselves, or how do people who plan to enter the job market, how do they prepare themselves to be relevant and to be on the right side of the job market? In today's world, being ignorant about artificial intelligence and machine learning and still be relevant, that's not possible. So one has to see that how to benefit from it, how to leverage from it. We have seen the data that the machine learning job postings have increased by 334% over the past 3 years. China itself has reported that they need more than 5 million people to work in the artificial intelligence sector. Recently, Economic Times reported that there are more than 50,000 jobs vacant in the area of data science and artificial intelligence and machine learning because there are not enough skilled people. So on the one hand, we are seeing that jobs are getting replaced. On the other hand, we are saying that there are a variety of jobs in this area which are not being fulfilled because people don't have sufficient skills. It is in this context that we need to see the importance of artificial intelligence for the job market. It is sad to see today that even though lot many courses are being offered in this area, they do not really prepare the participants or the students to become ready for the industry. Most of these courses give a theoretical knowledge or the conceptual knowledge of the principles of artificial intelligence, the models of machine learning, but they do not give sufficient practical experience to become relevant for the industry. That is where Expert Bridge aims to fill that gap, the gap between the theory and the practice. It is here that we ensure that people learn from the industry experts, people learn from the people who have used artificial intelligence in solving the real life problems and who impart that knowledge to the participants. Gaining a theoretical knowledge is not going to help because industry is not really looking for theoretical knowledge of any of the subject. They want people who will come on board and start using the machine learning models, the artificial intelligence concepts for solving their problem, for solving the problems of how to increase the customer traffic, to solving the problem of how